Hey everyone, it's Joey Taylor, owner of Taylor Heating and Air Conditioning in Puyallup, Washington. Today we're going to be talking about the air conditioning system and more importantly, to make sure there's no leaks within the air conditioning system's coil or where the refrigerant lines enter the air conditioning unit. One of the more common problems that we see with air conditioning systems is loss of refrigerant level. Anytime you have to add refrigerant, it usually means that there's some sort of leak somewhere within the system. If you have a leak within your air conditioning system, it can cause many components inside the system to burn out and can be a very expensive repair. One of the things we always want to do during our maintenance program is check and look for leaks within the system. The outdoor coil can produce leaks that you can see oils falling out of, or down here where we weld at the initial startup of the system, the refrigerant lines coming from the indoor coil to the outdoor unit, we see leaks there as well. There could also be leaks in different fittings and different caps throughout the system. It's extremely important that there's absolutely no leaks ever within the system so that you don't have to pay costly repairs to different parts. If you have any questions or you suspect that you might have a leak within your air conditioning system, feel free to reach out to us at our office and we'd love to help you out. You could also set up a maintenance program where we can come out and make sure there's no leaks in your system all year long. You can also find us on our social media platforms, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.